Today is my cousin's birthday and Mom's making a special platter. The main component is a whole roast chicken. She adds 1 tablespoon punch garam masala and black pepper, 1 cup of yogurt, 1/4 teaspoon of egg yellow powder, salt to taste, garlic paste, one tablespoon of mixed curry powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, jeera powder, quarter teaspoon of grounded mace, quarter teaspoon of black pepper, black cardamom powder, mustard oil, She leaves it to marinate. She lightly fries the chicken and then leaves it in the oven to cook. She is also making chana dal pakora. She grinds chana in a food processor and adds chopped onion, salt, turmeric powder, chopped chilies and coriander, and mix as well. Then she deep fries the pakora in a wok. She is also making sweet and spicy chicken. The recipe for this can be found in our channel. The day was really good. There was also lots of other delicious food cooked by my aunts.
Have you seen Mum's Kitchen? Yeah, I have. I really love the channel. Us chickens have been on it a few times. Make sure you tell everyone to like, share and subscribe.